Ako po si Erin Rupa, nag-aaral sa St. Joseph College, second year. Ang didiscuss ko po ngayon tungkol sa counterintelligence. Responsibilities of counterintelligence. It is the responsibilities of the counterintelligence to secure and protect all phases of the intelligence cycle as process. Counterintelligence is responsible for overall detection of and protection from threats to the intelligence cycle. A number of disciplines go into protecting the intelligence cycle. Hence, counterintelligence tries to protect three things. Pinoprotektahan daw ng counterintelligence ang tatlong bagay. Una, intelligence personnel. Ang intelligence personnel ang pagkatao ng intelligence, ang pagkakakilanlan. Pangalawa, facilities and resources. Pinoprotektahan nila ang pagkakakilanlan ng facilities nila. Ang pangatlo, operational activities. Pinoprotektahan nila na may ibang makalap ng operational nila. Securing and protecting the overall intelligence program. At a minimum, means taking actions to counter major disciplines of intelligence collection techniques, such as una, human intelligence. Ang intelligence, gumagamit sila ng tao na ginagamit nilang espiya. Ang pangalawa, itong signal intelligence. Gumagamit sila ng radyo, radyo. Pangatlo, imagery intelligence. Pwede silang gumamit dito ng video, mga camera. Pangapat, technical intelligence. Ang technical intelligence, gumamit sila ng device. Ang panglima, open source intelligence. Ito naman sa puleto, news article. Also, complementing intelligence collection are additional protective disciplines, which are directly the concern of the counterintelligence to produce information or intelligence. Physical security, ginagamitan ng security ng mga kanilang ari-arian. Ang sunod, personal security. Ang pinoprotektahan naman nila dito ay mga employee. Ang sunod, communication security. Protektahan naman nila ang mga komunikasyon na pwedeng mapunta sa kalaban, sa kamay ng kalaban. Sunod, documents. Protektahan naman nila ang mga dokumento. Ang sunod naman po, itong memberships in counterintelligence. The counterintelligence memberships with the intelligence coordinative bodies are the following. Una, Joint AFP-PNP Intelligence Committee, JAPIC. This body is efficient, responsive and coordinated efforts with the AFP Quarterly Coordinative Conference of Peace Chief. CISD is a regular counterparts on counterintelligence and security matters. Sa summarize lang na ito yung mga member ng counterintelligence tulad ng PNP, Philippine National Police, at yung FP, Armed Forces of the Philippines. Pangalawa naman, Subcommittee on Counterintelligence, SCCI. This body is in security matters. Similarly, it conducts a quarterly coordinative subcommittee of JIPIC acting as alter ego on counterintelligence. Conference co-chaired by Chief CISD, DIPNP, and Chief CIBJ2AFP. Summaries naman na ito, nagpupulong-pulong ang mga committee sa mas kasiguraduhan na seguridad. Pangatlo, the Special Monitoring Committee, SMC, led by the National Security Advisor and co-chaired by NICA, TDI, and J2FP, brings together officers from NICA, FP, and PNP to discuss and address issues, plans, and activities of threat groups that could endanger the government's integrity and security. Yung mga nabanggit na committee, sila yung nagmo-monitor sa posibleng banta. Pang-apat, PNP Selection Committee for United Nations Mission, Chief CISD is a regular member of the said committee, which is responsible for the screening and selection of PNP candidates for UN mission prior to deployment. Ito naman, namimili sila ng karapat-dapat na PNP na ipapadala nila sa UN mission. Panglima, Committee on Camp Security. This division actively participates in the regular coordinative conference of the committee to tackle all the issues and concerns relating to the security of Camp Crame, NHQ, PNP. Ito yung headquarters ng PNP, yung Camp Crame. Pang-anim, PNP Accreditation Committee. This committee, of which the Director of the Intelligence is a regular member, is responsible in the evaluation and classification of all dealers and suppliers transacting business with the PNP. This division assists the Secretariat of the PNP Accreditation Committee in the exercise of its function. Dito naman, yung PNP dapat sinisiguro nilang legal ang transaction nila sa mga dealers na pinagkukuhanan nila. Ang sunod naman ay measures for counterintelligence. Counterintelligence uses two complementary approaches. Una, passive, defensive, hides information and reduces visibility. Secrecy, discipline, communications, security, concealment, or camouflage, and it easy to codify into SOPs. Sinasabi lang dito, pag may mga intelligence na kalaban, ginagamitan nila ng mga techniques na pagtago ng mga impormasyon na pwedeng malaman. Itong pangalawa, active offensive proactively towards enemy intelligence efforts through detection, prevention, and neutralization, disrupting espionage, sabotage. Ito naman, tulad ng number 1, ang sabi sa una, ang pagdepensa. Ito naman pangalawa, pag-opensa. Tayo namang halimbawa ako ang counterintelligence, ako naman ang ka-counter sa posibleng maging kalaban. Ang sunod, categories of counterintelligence. The following are the categories of counterintelligence operations. Una, police security. This encompasses measures taken by the police or any other law enforcement agencies or the armed forces to protect them against espionage, enemy observation, sabotage, subversion, or the spearheading elements of surprise. Ito naman, ang FP, Armed Forces of the Philippines, o ang PNP, ito naman, pagprotekta naman sa kanilang sarili. Depensa sa kung anong pwedeng mangyari sa kanilang damdamin. The measures include secrecy, discipline, special safeguarding of classified information and equipment, security to troop movement, especially handling of evaders and escapes, counter-subversion within the police service, and tactical measures in combat areas. Ito naman para naman mapatibay nila yung seguridad at proteksyon ng pangkalahatan. Kaya binanggit dito yung troop movement. Pangalawa, civil security. This encompasses active, offensive, and passive defensive counterintelligence measures affecting civilians permanently or temporarily residing in an area under police, military jurisdictions, or law enforcement agencies jurisdiction. Ito naman, example natin dito, checkpoint, para ma-prevent natin ng mga pwedeng masamang mangyari. Tulad ng mga checkpoint na may mga nahuhuling paril sa compartment, may kidnapping, mga ganong They included systematic registration of civilians, neutral and enemy allies, control of circulation, Pa-ikling ko na to, kaya ka nasabi niya curfew. Example yan, curfew. Para din ma-prevent ang mga pwedeng mangyari, mga kabataan na nagkakaroon ngayon na balitang nagkakaroon ng batuan, mga nagkakagulo sa gabi, mga ibang nadadamay na sibilyan na wala namang kaalam-alam sa gulo. Pangatlo, special operations. Those require employment of active counterintelligence techniques and produces in the conduct of clandestine or covert operations against hostile and enemy intelligence or organization and agencies. They cover counterterrorism, counter-sabotage, counter-espionage, and counter-subversion. Sa madaling salita kang muna ito, isa siyang counter-terrorism. Pang-apat, port, frontier, and travel security. This is the application of both police and civil security measures for counter-intelligence control at points of only one departure, international borders or boundaries. It includes the responsibility for security control of seaports and frontiers. Dito naman, para sa mga labas-pasok sa bansa, mapabarko o eroplano, na pine-prevent nila yung mga pumapasok sa bansa o lumalabas na may gawing masama o labag sa batas. Panglima, censorship. This is the control and examination of communication to prevent the transmission of information that may fall in the hands of enemy and to collect and disseminate information of counterintelligence value to those who need it, appropriately means in suitable manner. Ito, example na ito, pag nagbigay ka ng impormasyon o message sa kakampi mo, sa espiya, pine-prevent na mapunta sa kamay ng mga espiya. Pine-prevent na mapunta sa amin nila lahat ng impormasyon na makalat para iwas na rin sa Ilang po, maraming salamat.